Okay, for example number 8, we are drawing a rocket ship. Yes, like that. No round edges or anything. Two circles, but nothing too crazy with everything should be rectangles, triangles, and circles. We got a body, a bottom, a top part, and 3 bottom rectangles like fire, and our title. Okay, we'll keep it simple. And this is example number 8 with Python Mikey. Okay, so import turtle on line 1, and we'll get started with a pen size 3, which is small, and a speed 5, which is medium. And the website again is trinket.io. That's what we're using to set up this project. Okay, we'll get started on line 6 with the middle of rocket. And we got a pen up, pen down, sandwich with a go-to. Okay, now we'll have a fill color gray. And of course, we're going to need a begin fill and end fill. And then we're going to draw that rectangle that will be the main body of the rocket. Okay, and again, to do a rectangle, we're going to go forward, turning left, going forward and turning left, forward left, and forward left. And don't forget, all left turns are going to be 90 degrees. And we'll alternate 60, 160, 60, 160 for forward. There we go, gray rectangle. Okay, now we'll do the bottom part. And I was thinking, this is like the bottom of a rocket. So we'll just do 2 circles. Again, pen up, pen down sandwich. And we'll do a right turn. And we'll go a little bit forward. Okay, and we will have our fill color red. This is kind of like the bottom of the rocket, whatever. And again, begin fill and end fill. And we'll throw in a small circle size 10. Okay, and we'll do that pretty much the same thing again. So pen up and pen down sandwich. Remember, that lets you move without drawing anything. And we'll turn a little left. And we'll go a little bit backwards. Okay, and then same thing. We'll set the fill color as red. And then we will do begin fill and an end fill sandwich. Okay, and I didn't want to copy anything, copy and paste in this example. I wanted to do each line. We run that. We got our rectangle in the middle, and we got our bottom circles. Okay, now for the top part. Okay, so the top part again, pen up, pen down sandwich to move without drawing. And we're going to go pretty high up. There we go. That's quite to the left and a little and much more higher up. And we're going to get the pen color, meaning the outline, black. Pen size a little bit thicker, 5. And the fill color will be blue. Any colors you use are great. And we'll do it's going to be a triangle. So we'll do begin fill and end fill, a big sandwich. And we're going to go forward 60 and turn left 120. And we'll just repeat that. Forward 60, turn left 120, and once again, forward 60, and left 120. Excellent, and we can run that. We got our middle part, our bottom part, and now our top part. So we just need 3 rectangles for rocket fuel, 1, 2, 3, at the bottom. These will look very similar. Again, pen up, pen down to move without drawing. And we'll go to -100, -130. That'll put us at the bottom of the rocket, right below the circles. And let's do a color orange for the fire, the fuel. And we're going to do a begin fill and end fill sandwich. And we're just drawing another rectangle. So again, forward and right or left, doesn't matter. Forward and right, forward and right, forward and right, forward and right. And this time, all the right angles will be 90, like always. And we'll use 60 by 20, 60 by 20. Excellent. Okay, and when we run that, it will add that little rectangle, an orange rectangle. And I won't copy and paste it. I'm going to do it all again just for practice in this beginner example. So pen up and pen down sandwich. We're going to go to a little bit lower, so -100 and -150. The first number, -100, says pretty much to the left, and minus 150 says quite a lot down. And again, color will be red, and we'll have a begin fill, end fill, a big sandwich, and we'll do another rectangle. And again, it will be a 60 by 20 rectangle. So we'll do forward 60 and then right 90. Forward 20 and right 90. Forward 60 and right 90. And again, forward 20 and right 90. Okay, run that and we'll add a nice red rectangle. And now for rocket fuel number 3, again, we're going to do pen up and pen down sandwich to move without drawing. And we'll go to, this will be minus 170 for the second number, meaning how far down. So minus 170 is pretty far down. And let's do salmon color. And again, begin fill and end fill sandwich. And once again, it's a rectangle, which means we're going to alternate forward and right, forward and right, forward, right, forward, right. All right angles, all angles are 90 degrees, which is also a right angle, so turtle.right. And we going forward 60, and remember to switch 60, 20, 60, 20, 60, 20, run it. You get a pink salmon color at the bottom. We're done the drawing, so I'm going to zoom in here as we do the title, which will be up at the top. So pick that pen up, and we don't have to put it back down because we'll use turtle.write, W-R-I-T-E, and the title will be Rocketship. So we'll write at the top, Rocketship in blue, and then just under Rocketship, we'll do in red, we're going to write 120 lines of code for this project. And we'll just move forward a bit so the little drawing arrow, the pen, will move forward. And we'll zoom out a little bit, and I'm just going to remember to add a font of Arial, so brackets there. And the size of the font will be 25 for the title, and the subtitle will also have a font of Arial and a size of 15. And let's watch it in full screen. There we go. And there's our title up at the top. Rocketship, 120 lines of code again. Okay, excellent work, everybody. Excellent, and I'll see you in the next example.